In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Evernote Desktop to Google Keep. We'll move content quickly and cleanly using a simple copy and paste workflow, perfect for getting your essential notes into Keep without overcomplicating things. Start by opening Evernote on your desktop and making sure you're signed in. On the left sidebar, click Notes to view everything in one place. This gives you a clear list so you can choose exactly what you want to transfer. Open the note you plan to move and review its contents. Decide what matters for Google. Keep your title, the main text, and any checklist items you want to keep. Now select the content you want. Drag to highlight the text and copy it using your keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Copying will bring over text and most simple formatting, but very complex layouts, large attachments, or embedded files usually won't carry across. If your note includes those, keep in mind you'll want to handle them separately after the basic move. Switch to Google Keep in your web browser and go to your Notes view so you're ready to add the content. Click the New List icon to create a checklist-style note. This is ideal when your Evernote note has tasks, bullet points, or anything you want as checkboxes. Give your note a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later. Click into the list area and paste what you copied. Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Keep will turn each line into a checklist item. If the pasted text looks tight, press Enter to add spacing between sections. You can remove checkboxes from any line that should just be plain text. Take a moment to scan for accuracy. Confirm the title, order of items, and that nothing essential was lost in formatting. If you notice stray symbols or extra spaces from Evernote, a quick cleanup here will keep everything tidy and readable. Repeat this same process for any remaining notes. Working one note at a time helps you stay organized and ensures each Keep note looks just the way you want. And that's it. Open Notes in Evernote, copy, then in Google Keep, create a new list, title it, and paste. Simple, consistent, and fast.